Hello everybody, this is Brockton Lazarus. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of these My Little Pony mystery figures I got at Box Lunch today at Eastview Mall. I bought 3 of them. They were buy 2, get 1 free, so it was really good. So, here's what they are. There's 12 different figures to collect. Twilight Sparkle is 1 out of 6 chance. Rainbow Dash is 1 out of 6 chance. Pinkie Pie is 1 out of 6 chance. Fluttershy is 1 out of 6 chance. Rarity is 1 out of 12 chance. Princess Celestia is 1 out of 12 chance. Princess Luna is 1 out of 24 chance. Queen Chrysalis is 1 out of 24 chance. Applejack is 1 out of 36 chance. Discord is 1 out of 36 chance. Diamond Collection version of Twilight is 1 out of 72 chance, and a Diamond Collection version of Rainbow Dash is 1 out of 72 chance. So, that's everything you can get, all the characters you can get. So, I'm hoping I don't get any doubles, because I hate when that happens. So, let me open my first one, see who it is. Let's see. My first figure is. It looks like for my first figure is Princess Celestia. My first figure is Princess Celestia. Okay. Number 2. I hope I don't get a double. I really hope I don't get a double. Alright, let's see who's number 2. Let's see. Oh, I wonder what this is. Alright, wait a minute. No. Oh, it's coming with these little circle things. Is that a... Oh, you know what? It looks like these that come with it. This is a little stand for it looks like, because in one of her hooves, there's a hole in one of her hooves. So that must be where you put it in there. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay, alright. So it looks like you put it, oops. Looks like you put it like this, probably, in her hoof. And yeah, so it's kind of like a stand. Okay, alright. Now, let's see. Second one is Rarity. Second figure is Rarity. Okay. We open the stand. I really hope for my third one, I really hope I can get Discord for my third one. That's a 1 out of 36 chance to get Discord, but I just hope I can get him. And the thing is, I hope I don't get a double. I've had these, I've gotten 1 of Celestia, 1 of Rarity. I just hope I don't get a double. So, box number 3. Let's see who this is. It's weird, this wasn't in a cardboard thing, so... Please don't be a double, please don't be a double, please don't be a double, please don't be a double. Oh, good. It's not a double. Oh, it looks like Fluttershy. My third figure is Fluttershy. Oh, I can tell that these stands are pretty useful because Fluttershy, I can't really get her to stand up by herself. I can't really get her to stand up by herself. So, yeah. So these stands, they're very helpful that it comes with it. Alright. Alright. Here's Fluttershy. Alright. So the three figures I got were Princess Celestia, Rarity, and Fluttershy. Alright, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. I have big plans tomorrow. I'm going to the Coffee and Chocolate Festival tomorrow. I was gonna try and go with, I asked Brian and Julie from the Strath Island, but they were busy, and I couldn't really find anyone else to go with, so I'm just going by myself, but I'm really excited. So, everybody, well, thanks for watching, and then we'll see you on my next video. Bye!